Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine review questions 19, 20, and 21. Let's begin by taking a look at review question number 19. Which of the following is a settlement or closing fee that could be included when determining basis? Would it be A, survey fees, B, fire insurance premiums, C, fees deducted as moving expenses, or D, mortgage insurance premiums? The answer is A. Survey fees can be included when calculating basis. Now let's take a look at review question number 20. Mary purchased a home from Joe in March of 2011. Joe paid all of the 2011 real estate taxes for the home in January of 2011. Mary reimbursed Joe for the taxes that Joe had paid in advance. True or false, the taxes will not affect the basis of Mary's new home? The answer is true. As long as Mary reimbursed Joe for her share of the 2011 taxes, the taxes will not affect Mary's basis. Now let's take a look at review question number 21. Which of the following would not be considered as an increase to the basis of a house? Would it be A, costs associated with special assessments for local improvements, B, money spent to restore a home's fence after hurricane damage, C, money spent installing an in-ground swimming pool to a property, or D, money spent on new paint and wallpaper for a home? The answer is D. New paint and wallpaper do not add value or prolong the life of a home, and so money spent on them would not be considered an increase to basis.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.